Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Merlita El Quitoriano from Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. The ages is 17, 13, and 6 years old. I am a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I work a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, finished contract. My primary duty is taking care of their children and the household chores such as washing clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and car washing.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am secure the safety of their children, sir. When the baby is sick, I check the temperature. When the baby is sick, I call my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Okay, do you drink, smoke, and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
My love for my family drives me to work abroad to provide their needs, and I will give them a better future.
Okay, if you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My parents.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and reminds myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually wake up 5 a.m. and I am sleep around 10 p.m. after my work done.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calming with dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you
I
cook the
extend-
Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you giving me a chance to work with you, I promise to fulfill my dream. I promise to fulfill my responsibilities and duties to finish my contract. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible people. Thank you and have a nice day.